hello and welcome to For and Living. I'm Shweta. Thank you very much for liking my previous videos, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I make videos on recipes, food, motivation and fashion and beauty, and something that can really help you in your daily lives. And stay tuned to the channel for new updates, and to get the notification, please don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So from the title you know that today's video is about saris. Yes, and Navratri is just on the corner. I have already started preparations for the festival. So in this video I'm just going to show some of the saris that you can own, and you can dress them in various ways this Navratri and look good and feel fab and keep the blues of the pandemic away, and have fun with the family and friends. So let's get started without further ado. The first one being the work sari, or the sari which comes with some work like this, some motifs, etc. This is like a half and half sari, and it is a ready to wear sari. Just that I like to pin it like this, and sometimes you can also take the palla in the front and other ways. So I'll put the picture somewhere here so that you can see it has a lovely lehenga style and mermaid style when you drape it. So this is a little old, but I'll surely link anything if I find online. This is a pretty old sari, but I love it, and it's like a evergreen sari. You can wear it anytime, and this kind of a fashion will never go away. So when you're picking up, try to see and pick the saris which can always stay in trend. It has brocade designs, and it has half and half. Half and half sometimes goes and comes back in fashion, so that is fashion keeps changing, but sometimes the old saris will give you the charm, and you can style it in various ways. That is how you can give different look to the already existing saris than purchasing new saris every time. So that was the first one, and similarly the trending saris like that. This one is a trending sari currently. This has got flares like this. This is only the bottom part of the sari, and the pallu is, again, this is not half and half I would say, but the palla comes with a design like this. So the whole pallu is like this, and this is the place where you pleat, you get these nice frills, and this looks very, very pretty. I'll also provide the link for this sari. I've seen many in the online sites also. So if you like this sari, this will look good for all the young girls. It looks very, very pretty, and different colors are available in this, and it is very light. You can simply wear it very easily you can just wear it in 2 minutes. So that is a kind of sari which most of us like, which is easy to carry and with which we can work very easily. So that was another work sari. Similarly, a designer sari. So this is a designer sari. It is a white and black sari. Here the body has a lot of work like this, if you can see, and it has black and golden border. It has some shimmery details like this, but very subtle looking. And here the palla is different and the body is different. That is why we call it designer sari. I'll put the picture somewhere here. You can style it with black or golden blouse, and this is a net sari. As you can see, a very good quality net. Net saris are again in trend these days. Sometimes it goes and sometimes it comes back, but having a good quality sari, you can wear it and you can style it in various ways. I also have styled this in Sonam Kapoor inspired double palla drape on my IGTV. You can also go and see that, so that you can also style the same sari in different ways. That is how you can create new looks from the same sari and not invest in new saris every time. So another one, this is a lovely Paithani sari. It's a silk Paithani sari. It is from the regions of Maharashtra. Very pretty sari, and this comes with a border like this, very characteristic of a Paithani sari. This is a mid-range sari, not very costly sari, but sometimes something around 5 to 6K. And this is how the pallu looks. The contrast color is very nice, and it has peacock motifs all over. So this is a very, very pretty sari, and a Paithani sari is something, again, if you have, you can try. If you have already, you can wear them, and I'll also link, if I find something very similar, I'll also link it in the description for you to think and purchase also. The next one is Ilkal sari. I have styled this in my last year Navratri lookbook, where the traditional red and white gives you the Durga Puja vibe, And this is ilkal. You can see it has characteristic border and it comes like this. And the best part is its pallu, where it takes all the attention. So this is how the pallu looks. So this is what is characteristic of the ilkal sari, and the lovely color. A red and white sari for everybody's. I think everybody will have a red and white sari for Navratri. It gives you the Durga Puja and the Bengali vibe. So this is one. So that is ilkal sari, and ilkal is a place in Karnataka where they manufacture. That is a handloom sari, and it comes in various fashions, and also you have work on them called as ilkal sari. Again, it is called kasuti work also. If you wish to see those saris, then please do let me know. I'll also do one more video to show some of the work saris, some of the different saris in ilkal, because video is something about some of the saris that you can have, one of it in your wardrobe. So I'm trying to show that kind of a sari. So next one is Bandhani sari. This is not the original Bandhani, but it has Bandhani print on Georgette. So a Bandhani is again a very traditional sari. It looks very pretty, and this is so light, and you can style it with various colored blouses and multicolored blouses. So it is so super easy to carry. It is so light and super easy to carry, and it looks super festive when you wear them. And again, it can be worn by both youngsters and even if you're in mid 40s 50s also, you can also wear it and do all your work very easily. So this is very easy, lightweight, and one of the best sari and one of my most favorite sarees. Pair it with sleeveless blouse and it looks really pretty. So you can mix and match different blouses and try it for different occasions. So every time you feel that you're wearing something nice and different. So the next one is a Karnataka special, Mysore special, I would say, KSIC sari. It is again handloom and one of the most loved sari by most women. Quality will be very nice, very fine, and you can see the shine. This shine will last forever, if you see. And this is a medium sized border sari, and it comes only on one side and not on both the sides. This is super expensive. Only one side border will cost you anywhere between 16 to 20k, and if it is there on both the sides, then it will be much costlier. But one of the kind sari. This is my mother-in-law's sari, and very pretty. So this is one of the kind sari, KSIC. If you have heard of it, then I think you can own one of it. Or if you already have, then you should use it, put to use more often, because it is super expensive, and you should definitely, if you have invested in buying that, then you should definitely wear it for many occasions. The next one will be simple cotton silk saris. Cotton silk comes in various colors, various designs, and if you see, they are very light, and with various different types of blouses. So this is one sari which has temple border. I love this temple border. I like the sari because of the temple border itself, and even the pallu is very grand. So the cotton silk saris are also something which you can have. One cotton silk sari in your wardrobe, I would say it's a must have. So you can style it in various ways and wear it very comfortably, and this looks very elegant and poised and makes you look very graceful too. So that was one. The other one, of course, is the Kanchi sari. Everyone should have one of the Kanchi sari. This is one of the, I also have this, I have shown this sari in one of the video where I have draped it on a lehenga style sari. So again, Kanchi is a place in Tamil Nadu where it is again handloom. Nowadays we get different varieties in this, and this is the one of my favorite Kanchi, heavy, and the pallu is also very nice and grand. So this is one must have kind of a sari, and one of my favorite sari. The color is so pretty. The color and the design and the motif are super pretty, and sometimes you also get contrast borders. Again, I have a lot of it, but I can't show everything in one. So if you want me to do more such videos in saris, then do let me know in the comment section so that I can make some more sari videos for you. I also have videos on how to fold, organize, and wear your sari, and I also have Get Ready With Me with a Sari, so you can check out all those videos, so you can also try to use them in your during the festival. And the next one is this, I think is a tussar silk or a tissue silk, I'm not very sure, but it is so light in weight, and again get this in various colors. Again, this is very pretty. It has some work, very light work. It is very light saree. I haven't worn this much, but one of my favorite saree, and it was a part of my wedding trousseau, and it was a part of my wedding saree collection. So this is the body. The whole body has this motif going on here, and doors like that. Again, very pretty. You can wear it for small. And you can have one of these very lightweight sarees. So they are like timeless sarees, I would say. So you can wear it as and when you want it. And one more elegant and the most favorite of all is Banarasi saree. This is one of my favorite Banarasi saree. This is brown and it has got silver border here. Banarasi sarees come with huge wide borders and a lot of work also, but I like very simple saree, and I picked it up during my wedding again. One of my favorite saree, and looks very good. I'll insert the picture somewhere here so you can see. So again, Banarasi saree is very essential in one's wardrobe, I would say. So these are like a must-haves. I'm adding that. And the last one in this video is a linen saree. This is very pretty. If you can see, it has got prints which looks like a pochampally as well as a patola saree, and this comes in linen. So this is so pretty, I tell you, and very affordable, not very expensive. So you can also have one of these kind of sarees which is very light and colorful, and you can style them in various ways. Super light, feather light, I would say. And when you wear it, you feel that you're not even wearing anything. Comes in various colors and designs. And the border also is very soft. It won't hurt you, it won't prick you. So this is again very pretty, and it also comes with some small tassels. So if I can find the links for these sarees, I will leave it in the description for you. And if you did like my sarees, and if you also think you have them, and if you have remembered one of your saree, then please do wear them in the festival. So that was some of the must-have sarees from me. Sarees which are handloom and which are handmade and that belong to your own state or your own region. So that is, again, I would suggest you have one of that. And apart from that, you can find the other sarees online as well as from very good shops. You can buy silk sarees which are very expensive. If you're looking to buy silk sarees which are expensive, you can go to some of the branded saree websites and buy from them. Or if you already have, I'm sure most of you will already have them. If you have them and haven't worn that in some time, I think it is the best time and the right time to open them, to take them out from your wardrobe and style them during this Navratri. And you can also take beautiful pictures and post them on your social media and enjoy this festive season. So hope this video was helpful, and do let me know in the comment section what you think of it. And if you want me to make more such saree videos and blouse design videos, etc., then please do let me know. I'll be pleased to make them for you. And if you are wondering where I bought this one from, I bought it from Myntra, and also I will also leave the link in the I'll also leave the link in the description below for you to check it out in case you want to buy that. It's very pretty, lightweight, and very festive. If you can see, it looks very nice. And hope you like the video, and see you in my next video, guys. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy